video, we will find out arithmetic mean by all the three methods, that is direct method, assume mean method and step deviation method. Let's take an example. Here class interval and frequencies are given. Class interval 15 to 25, frequency is 6, 25 to 35, frequency is 11, etc. Now to find out the arithmetic mean by direct method, first thing you need to find out is class mark, which is given by xi. So class mark is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 15 plus 25 divided by 2 is 20. Again 25 plus 35 divided by 2 is 30. 35 plus 45 divided by 2 is 40. Next one will be 50, 60. Then 65 plus 75 divided by 2 is 70. And 75 plus 85 divided by 2 is 80. Now, next we will find out di. Di is deviation, that is xi minus a. So here I am going to take the assumed mean as 50. So 20 minus 50 is minus 30. Again 30 minus 50 is minus 20. 40 minus 50 is minus 10. 50 minus 50 is 0. 60 minus 50 is 10. 70 minus 50 is 20, and finally 30. So di we need to use this in the assume mean method. Now next I will find out ui. Ui is nothing but di by h. Here h is the class size, that is 25 minus 15, upper limit minus lower limit, so that is 10. So minus 30 divided by 10 is minus 3, minus 2, again minus 1, 0, 10 divided by 10 is 1, 20 divided by 10 is 2 and 3. So xi, di, ui is over. Now you need to find out fi xi. Fi xi we will use in direct mean method formula. Then fi di you will use in assume mean method, and the last column will be fi ui, that you will use for step deviation method. So fi xi means you need to multiply 6 into 20. 6 into 20 is 120. Again fi di is 6 into minus 30, which is equal to minus 180, and fi into ui is 6 into minus 3, which is minus 18. So try to find out fi xi, fi di and fi ui in the same way. So have you found out fi xi, fi di, fi ui? So first you need to find out xi, then di, then ui, then multiply this with f. Also you need to find out the total of frequency. So this is not exact. You need to find out total of frequency. Then again fi xi, fi di, fi ui. So direct method formula is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi, which is equal to 1390 divided by 35, which is equal to 39.71. Next we will find out arithmetic mean by assume mean method. Next we will find out arithmetic mean by assume mean method. X bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. assume mean is 50. So 50 plus sigma Fi di is minus 360. So minus 360 divided by 35, which is equal to 39.71. Same way, in step deviation method, we will find out arithmetic mean. So step deviation method, x bar, the formula is a plus sigma Fi ui divided by sigma Fi into h. So which is equal to 50, and sigma Fi ui is minus 36 divided by 35. And what is the class size? Class size is 75 minus 85. So class size is 10 into 10. So when you simplify this, 50 minus 360 divided by 35, finish off this simplification and then subtract from 50, you will get the answer 30.71. So in all these cases, the arithmetic mean is same, 39.71. So the result obtained by all the three methods is same. So the choice of method to be used depends on the numerical values of xi and fi. If xi and fi are small, then the direct method we will use. If xi and fi are large, then you can go for assume mean method or step deviation method. If the class sizes are unequal and xi are large, then we can still apply step deviation method by taking h to be a suitable divisor of all the di's. So thank you for watching my video.